Okay guys, this is Tom here. Little subway system update. I've been putting up some of the sides on the subway and making some tunnel tops with my 3D printer. And so I put a couple of sides there. And also I had 4 turnouts to get set up, and I got them all working finally. And then I had a reverse loop on this bridge, and I had to let me get up one more step here so I can get above the bridge. Okay, right here is the reverse loop situation. The red wire is on the inside track on the turnout, and the black wire is on the outside track. The red wire is on the outside track, black wire on the inside track, so that causes a reverse loop. So we got an AR10 to control this block, which is 100, and this block, which is 105, which is the turnout block. So what was happening is, when I ran the engine through here, it worked fine, but and then this block 100 stops right here at this joint, and there was insulator joiners there to go to this block, which is 150. So as I ran the engine through block 100 onto block 105, which is here, it worked. No problem. It switched over, the AR10 flipped the lights and everything, and all was good. But then I added the 3 cars to the train, and as soon as the engine hit here, it would stop, wouldn't move at this joint, at this insulated spot between 100 and 105. So what I did is I noticed that the last car was on block 150, which is this block. So what I did was I took the length of the train, and then I took the insulator joiners off of here, replaced them with the metal joiners to lengthen block 100 all the way down to where I got it cut. I used my Dremel tool to cut insulation between block 100 and 150. Now it works. So because it was spanning 3 blocks, and this block 150 didn't get flipped, only block 100 and 105 did. So that resolved that problem, and I got the turnouts for the subway system all done. There was 4 of them total. Had to wait for some parts here and there, but I got them working now, and I got the frogs are all powered. I just finished the last one earlier today. So let's bring the subway train across the bridge to the helix, and we'll see how it goes. Right now you can see a silhouette of the train inside the tunnel, and then it'll come out once it gets onto the bridge. And now it's going to come to the reverse loop onto the turnout. All's good. What I'm really surprised is how it runs on that track, because this track hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So I'm going to stop it I'm going to go in the opposite direction, bring it back across the bridge. And there it goes into the tunnel. As you can see it through the clear filament. So that's it, folks. Making headway. I got a lot of sides to make and a lot of the tops to the tunnel to make. And I decided to make the tops. And I gotta take the light down that I put inside the subway system, and I'm gonna put it on top of the tunnel. That's that. So that's what was going on with my reverse loop, and it's now operational, and the turnouts are working. I may run them to buttons. I got to figure that out, but I'm not in no rush to do that. I can just control them from my power cab, and a couple of them are reversed. The main line, I want to be the diverging leg on a couple of these, because up on the helix, the diversion leg, I don't know if you can see it there, this is the diversion leg right here, and I want that to be the main, because I want it to go up the helix and not going across the subway system when trains go up to the third level. So I gotta flip them, and the two Cobalt IPs, I have to set a CV to reverse them, and then the tortoise machine, I just have to flip the wires to get them to flip. So I want to see how the orientation is on them, and then I'll go from there. So this is Tom. Hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you all in the next video. So everybody take care. Thanks.